Sanity and Meeks. Hines, where's Hines?
Outside shootout there, fa.
I've been thinking about your love tonight. Two hearts gonna make a one.
KenT, what a weekend.
What a day, what a weekend, what a experience, what?
I don't want to sound like I'm exaggerating, but I think this meet may have been one of the best meets of drag rivals for me.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, we never have the competitor turnout like we usually would.
No. However, yeah.
We fill some gaps with a very unique style of racing this weekend.
Yes.
We introduced the nitrous front wheel drive
Oh
shootout.
my gosh.
We introduced the VR1 Bracket Pro class.
Oh my gosh.
We do some exhibition runs.
Yeah.
And really and truly, we spent some time with the racers over the past couple weeks during the drivers meeting, and we saw where that same thing we talked about at Test and Tune last week.
Yeah.
Everybody utilizing that competitive edge. Racers them actually start stage properly.
Yeah.
And reaction time them getting better.
True.
Like everything the cars them see if you got like dialing better, times are get faster.
Yeah.
Like what more can we really ask for?
No, but as you said, time's getting faster. One of the things that stood out to me this weekend, the amount of personal best.
Oh yeah, man. And it wasn't even the weather fight because it's hot. It's windy,
yeah.
but yet still everybody get faster.
So it definitely shows you that we are heading in the right direction. Walking the pits, you know, moving around, I hear people talking, and some drivers may not come to you or get the chance to come to you and say, boy, thank you.
Yeah.
But trust me, people admire what you do.
We feel the energy.
Right?
Sometimes a man might not get a chance to come talk, but you walk through the pit and you just hear your name and you just do a little nod.
You feel it, yeah?
Yeah, man. As we say, I really can't ask for more. The Friday morning, I get up and leave home, coming here, and I just have this moment on the highway driving. The weather forecast for the weekend wasn't good. I was late, but we put in work Thursday.
Yeah.
But there was this sense of calm, there was this sense of comfort that was over me, and it kind of feels scary because I say to myself, like, are you losing your edge? Is it that you kind of just get complacent? Why you're going to this big weekend with so much things that can possibly go wrong, but you're so calm? Is it that you don't care?
Right.
But that's not it. I spend a minute while I drive, I'm going to pray, I'm going to ask God for peace. I'm going to ask Him for allow me to accept whatever happens this weekend. Whether it is rain, whether it is sunshine, whatever happens, I ask Him. And that's what happened. I put my faith and my trust in Him and see it. Rain come today and we make a call. I say, if the rain stop by 4, we're going to find somewhere and dry the truck. The rain go up until like 4:20.
Yeah.
And by 5:27,
cars were racing.
Cars were racing.
Boy, trust me.
We complete all elimination.
Yes.
Do a nitro shootout. And we run about 20 racing, grudge races. We can't ask for more.
Plus prize giving.
Plus prize giving.
Right.
And it's just about 9 minutes past 7.
Wow.
Granted, we still have a long night ahead of it.
Yeah,
a lot of packing up, a lot of pulling down.
Yes,
but
yes.
There's no greater joy than knowing that we come to the end of an event, we complete it. Definitely. Nobody was harmed.
Incident-free event.
Incident-free.
Yeah.
And we put on a show where even after the rainfall, when we look around, there was still maybe 700-800 people here
Trust me.
who sat in their vehicles or under tents waiting that 1 hour while the rain fall, and then the next hour while we dry the track.
Yeah.
And we pull it off.
Yeah.
It show me dedication, it show me love, it show me appreciation
definitely.
for the work that we put in.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
These are the things really and truly will drive us to basically improve on this product, improve on this brand, improve on this motorsport love that we have, and just want to push it to our next level.
Definitely. Ken, one last thing before I go, because I know you have to go pack up. The Sky Lounge.
Yeah.
Boy, trust me, what a beautiful concept.
Well, I know you have some footage.
Yes.
I know you have some footage from that angle.
Yes.
And I hope it will inspire more people are buying into it. For the next event, we might have to expand it and do more. But the concept came from last event in February, March event. I was on top of the container office doing some work, setting up same time while some races were running, and I said, boy, this is a good vantage point. And I said to myself, how could I give racers or spectators this experience? And we talked to the production company and we run a little pilot program with it tonight. I mean this weekend. It wasn't as flawless as we would have hoped. There's a lot of kinks to it. We need some more infrastructure, but I believe moving forward we can do a build out, we keep everybody safe and keep, growing this experience that people pay for come and see and just be a part of. So we continue to put ideas and ingenuity behind everything that we do to just show people that it's not about just showing up and just running races, but we want to give people that experience. That we envision when we plan this whole thing.
Yeah.
From concept to completion.
Definitely. I mean, the next meet, a lot of people asking, and I couldn't even tell them the date because I didn't remember. But when is the next meet?
Next event is August 8th to August 10th. So that
All
one,
right.
I have my title sponsor here. Come in.
Oh yeah?
Mr. Peter John.
Oh you mean?
Automotive art. We're working on something spectacular.
Again?
Yeah, again.
man.
Oh my word.
August will be bigger, better,
Yeah.
a family event.
Yeah. It's going to be something where we are looking, so because it's a climb close to back to school. It's also a festive time because it falls right after the Emancipation Independence weekend.
Yeah.
We're going to turn this place into
A playground?
a playground. Could just call it that. It's going to be a vibe.
Love that.
And as I say,
Love
we
that.
have the support of Peter John, we have the support of Automotive Art, Stewart's, Valvoline. So we're going to do something that really and truly, with the grace of God and His blessing, I believe it's going to blow your mind.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
All right.
That is the plan.
Bro, I won't keep you any long. Well, before we wrap up, any special shout outs? I know you must have 1,000 people to thank.
Well, I'm glad this man walk on. Because really and truly, this whole entire product, this entire brand experienced a facelift from the moment Peter John called me in 2024.
Yeah.
He was excited about it. At first I was like, make we see what we're going to basically get out of this deal. And this partnership has grown more than just a business deal. It's a dream. It's a dream for me that somebody believed in, and they took me from before took me from the dirt. And we're going to take this thing basically. We have already gone to an international level.
Definitely.
But it sounds cliche, sky's the limit, and really and truly Peter John have a passion for this. With this collaboration, we have grown both the brands, Valvoline products moving, Automotive Art recognized for the contribution.
Awesome.
The racers appreciate it.
Yes.
The whole motorsport entity sees the interest and the love that they put into it, and it will not just stop here for drag rivals, but Vernon Field is a venue that we're going to utilize and bring in more motorsport activities here with the help of Automotive Art, Valvoline, Stewart. So I have to give them the biggest shout out ever, but I'm not going to disregard the others. B-Mall, Shimo Auto Parts, Island Auto, Jarrett's Auto, Auto Boys, Alrich Car Rental, Fuel Depot.
Yeah.
Everybody. We have Kirk from Cosmic Events doing all our production setup. So trust me, people.
The entire team.
The entire team. 876 Streets.
One love.
I don't know if I say. Thank you everybody, thank God.
Yes.
We ended and we did a great job.
Yeah, man. So just big up Stewart's Automotive Group.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
And Christina Hudson.
Yeah man, can't do
She
it
is
without Christina,
responsible
trust me.
All right.
For, you know, believing in the dream.
Dream,
So,
yeah man, yeah man.
and big up Valvoline. So Valvoline
All right.
International. Big up.
And
Stewart's Automotive Group.
thanks for being a part of motorsports.
Big up. All the
Respect.
time.
All right. See you guys in
Bro,
August.
876 Streets.
Big up.
Oh.
All right.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.